Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we are going to make vegan jalapeno stuffing poppers. Girl, what? Okay, so it's gonna be a super easy short video. So real quick before I get started, I wanted to give a super huge shout out to Brenda for donating to my channel and Vicky for joining us as a patron in my community. So if you wanna help support this channel so I can make more vegan recipes and I can help, like, you know, turn people vegan or whatever. My PayPal will be linked below and my Patreon will be linked below. Every single dollar counts, girl. I can't even tell you. And don't forget that my vegan and gluten-free peanut butter blossom cookie recipe is up on my Patreon. So no matter what tier you get on Patreon, you'll be able to get that recipe. So how many times can I say so? Okay. Let's jump in. First thing we need to do is cut our jalapenos. So you can do this without gloves if you don't have them, but I'm a chronic eye toucher, so I don't take any chances. But after you cut them, make sure you wash your hands before you do anything else. Girl, I am telling you, don't touch your eyes, don't go to the bathroom, like nothing. We're just gonna cut it in half. And then we're just going to take out the seeds, and then we're just going to keep on keeping on. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to keep the stems on. Don't eat the stems. But, like, for presentation, it's, like, prettier. You know what I mean? Next thing we have to do is we have to make stuffing. So, now, if you followed my channel for a while, you know that I have my own vegan stuffing recipe, which that shit slaps. But like, if you're trying to make something super easy, I have a cool trick for you guys. You're not gonna believe it, okay? You're not even gonna believe it. Okay, stovetop for pork stuffing mix. What? But Charisse, yeah, this shit's vegan. Like, what? I was so shook when I found out this is actually vegan, which is so surprising because, like, even the cornbread one, or like the one that's just like, oh, savory herbs, like has like chicken broth and shit in it. This one, pork, I know, go figure, right? This one is accidentally vegan. Y'all, you can make this for like $1 at the Walmart. $1 for pork. Like, I'm so shook. I'm so shook. Okay, so this is accidentally vegan. That is great. So with the power of editing, oh, we already made it. So you're just going to follow the directions on the back, but instead of regular butter, you're obviously going to use vegan butter. And we got stuffing ready to go. For assembly, we're going to take some of our stuffing and make a mess, but we're just going to like shove it in there. Oh my God, do a little bit more, We want to like poofing up over the top, right? Like, we want to stuff the jalapeno. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at that, okay? And then we just keep on keeping on. We pick up the extras, pop them in our mouth. They're so fucking good. I'm so excited for this, you guys. This is gonna slap so hard. Like, I can't even fucking take it. I'm sorry. Oh my God, I'm cussing. I'm like the worst. Again, stuff it till it's like overflowing. And then we just, you know, keep going until we run out of shit. And of course, no jalapeno popper is finished without cheese. So what I'm using is Chow. Hold on, let me show you. I'm using Chow's tomato cayenne because, well, I love it. And it melts well. And it's one of the easiest to find in my teeny tiny small town. So I just cut the slices into like little strips and I'm just gonna lay them down. It also has a lot of flavor, which adds to the poppers. Oh my God. So I'm just doing little strips because like I wanna see the stuffing, right? Again, presentation. Like if you're presenting these at a party, you want them to know like there's stuffing in there. And so now I have my oven preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to roast these bad boys up for about like 15 minutes. Basically, we're just looking for the cheese to melt, you know what I'm saying? You guys, look at these beauties. Like, I'm sorry, what? Okay, I'm so excited. Which one do I choose? I guess the big guy, right? Gotta take the stem off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa. You guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. This shit slaps. Like, this is so good. Whoa. You get all those awesome herbs from the stuffing. You get a little kick from the jalapeno, but also a little kick from the tomato cayenne chow, which again, you can use any vegan cheese of your choice, right? Like you do, yeah, I don't really give a shit. But I really like that flavor, works so well, but it's not like super, no, I'm spitting, great. It's not like super spicy, so it's not like, oh my God, I'm gonna die, I'm on hot ones. Like, oh my God, you guys are gonna get so mad at me. I have to do it. I have to eat another one. Oh my God. Who you fighting? That is so good. This is a perfect recipe for like an appetizer on Thanksgiving or Christmas, but also if you like have leftovers, right? And you're like, well, what do I do with my leftovers? If you have leftover stuffing, you can just easily whip this up as like something special for like Friday or Saturday, like Black Friday. Which, don't give in to Black Friday, you guys. Presents. You don't need presents to make Christmas good, right? Like, oh, you need good food to make the holidays good. That's what you need. Full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below. MidnightMunchiesandMore.com. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you comment. I'm like spitting everywhere. It's so, it's so tasty. Make sure you comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And more than anything, make sure you share this with your friends so that everybody can see how delicious vegan food can be. Oh my God. I can't take it. I'm going to catch you guys next time. I'll eat the shit out of these. And hopefully there's some left for Greg. Because one of Greg's like most favorite foods of all time, stuffing. So, so these are to Greg. Hope there's still some here. Love you. Bye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.